Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm going to give you the tour of a studio room at One Islington Plaza in Liverpool. And if you also want to book this room, then the link is in the description box below for Amberstudent. All you need to do is click there and you will be redirected to their website. And once you give your contact details, the Amberstudent team will contact you within few hours and they will help you to book this room. And now let's start the video without wasting any time.